everyone, welcome to Tech Supply. Today we will talk about top 8 mini gadgets for personal safety. Please stick with us until number 1 because I bet you have never seen anything like this before. But before we start, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Also, check the description box below to find all of the links and more information. Batman Ring. The list of the most incredible and most effective weapons for self-defense wouldn't be complete without brass knuckles. We chose a model that's not only reliable but suddenly, if desired, can become a stylish accessory. The developers noticed that the brass knuckles usually resemble the Batman logo. So they decided to follow up on the idea by giving the weapon an even more distinctive appearance made from high-quality stainless steel. The device is 8 centimeters long, and it will make a great gift, especially for comic book fans. The price starts at $50. Ballistic scarf. Hiding from the big, dangerous world under a blanket is an urge most of us feel at one time or another. And even though this item in today's video is not a sleeping accessory, it will still give you a sense of moral and physical protection. The American company Tactique Couture has developed a unique ballistics scarf. It's soft to the touch, warm, breathable. It protects you from the cold wind. And at the same time, it's made of the same material used to create bulletproof armor. That makes it ultra-durable, resistant to fire punctures, cuts. Thus, in case of danger, you can cover yourself or your loved ones under it to protect your health or life. The tactical scarf has an inconspicuous minimalist design, so it will match any look. Also, you can use it as a blanket. Also, swaddle a child. It's priced at about $50. CSGO Karambit Gradient. Suppose you think that this blade looks like the core of some predator. Well, you are right. According to some versions, the Karambit is a curve. The knife was invented in West Sumatra. This is a province in Indonesia that's been inhabited by tigers since ancient times. So it's not surprising that the tiger's claws and fangs inspired the creatives. However, the model you see on your screen has nothing ancient about it. On the contrary, it is ultra-modern and perfect for self-defense. The ribbed handle with recesses for the fingers provides a confident, comfortable grip and other significant advantages. It's a relatively small size. The knife is 19 centimeters long, and the blade is 9 centimeters long. The steel blade features a special coating that makes it shimmer in different colors depending on the light. Thanks to this feature, the Karambit is also quite stylish. Interestingly, the developers tried to replicate the weapon from the popular game Counter-Strike Global Offensive. The price starts at $10. Mini knives. Taking a look at this thing, I most likely wouldn't state it's a knife. It appears like an elegant modern device with a bright and minimalist appearance. The hole in the deal makes certain a comfy grasp. The knife comes in 3 attractive colors. Blades are also painted to match the values. Night Watchman Shock Pen. Sometimes, the best devices for self-defense don't catch your eye. A good example is this pen from Night Watchman. You won't find any ink inside. So, unfortunately, you won't be able to sign any papers with it. Instead, it will shock your enemy with an electric charge of 10,000 volts. This is enough to disarm the opponent for a while and buy yourself some time to escape. The price of this marvelous invention is $20. Plegium. We understand that not everyone is willing to take responsibility for carrying firearms and knives. So we want to remind you inflicting severe injury is not the only way to save your life and keep yourself safe. A great non-lethal alternative to the weapons that we've shown you would be the Plegium pepper spray. And, of course, this is no ordinary model. It sets the Plegium apart from its competitors as its clever technology. First of all, it's equipped with a built-in flashlight. It's needed for the user to understand better where to aim. Besides, the flashlight can work in strobe mode. It is additionally disorienting the attacker. Secondly, when activated, the flashlight beeps loudly and attracts attention. It can be a standard siren or the sound of a human scream. Finally, when the pepper spray is triggered, the last and most important advantage is that it also massively sends a warning to your trusted contacts. Your location is sent along with the message so that friends or family can immediately come to your rescue. As for the protection function itself, the Plegium has a 3-meter range and causes significant discomfort to the attacker. You get all of this for $60. S-Tech Tactical Cleaver Folding Knife. The advantage of the following weapon on our list today is that it has a truly unique shape, which means that it can be used not only for self-defense. S-Tech has developed a folding knife that differs from all the others on the market. It has a pretty large blade that looks more like a meat cleaver. It's, therefore, ideal for chopping and splitting. At the same time, the sturdy construction will allow it to be used as a lever. Finally, this knife will sharpen the stick in just a few seconds, which helps the while. The blade is made of stainless steel, and the handle is also made of steel. There's a clip to carry the knife on your jeans as well. The price of the device is $30. Umarex Walther PPK. True fans of firearms, especially historical weapons, must be familiar with a Walther PP. It's a German semi-automatic pistol. And one of the first mass-produced pistols with a double-action trigger mechanism. First introduced in 1929, it was developed for police use and was adopted in the 1930s. As for the Walther PPK, you see it on the screen. It's a modern model created by the German company Umarex. So in terms of appearance, this gun is almost identical to its prototype. The only difference that the most avid fans will notice is the more extended grip designed to provide a more comfortable fit. The specifications have been changed so that the gun can meet the higher modern standards. So the model shoots 4.5mm steel BBS, has a 15-round magazine and reaches up to 90 meters per second. The gun is also lightweight and compact. It weighs 560 grams and is 15 centimeters long. The price is $130. Check out this playlist right here. You will get benefited a lot from this playlist. All of the cool gadgets you need, it's right there. So check it out now.